Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth on the S25 Ultra and making it discoverable. This lets the phone scan. Make sure the Xbox controller has power or plug it in. Charging prevents drops during pairing. Once done, stop other Bluetooth gadgets nearby so the phone finds only the controller. This reduces interference. Open the phone's Bluetooth menu while holding the controller's pair button. This initiates discovery. You want a clean environment. It increases pairing speed and reliability. You press the Xbox button until it lights, then press and hold the small pair button for about 3 to 5 seconds. The light will flash quickly to show pairing mode. On the S25 Ultra, you tap the listed Xbox wireless controller entry. The phone and controller exchange keys and authenticate. Once paired, a confirmation appears. Make sure the controller responds to button presses. If inputs register, you're connected. If not, repeat the pair hold and reselect the device to retry. You finish by checking game mapping and, if available, renaming the controller in Bluetooth settings so the phone auto-connects next time. Make sure the Xbox Accessories app is up to date. Firmware updates often resolve latency or disconnects. If things go wrong, restart the S25 Ultra and the controller, then forget the device on the phone and repair. This clears corrupted pair records. One key troubleshooting tip: remove crowded Wi-Fi or Bluetooth congestion before retrying, because interference is the most common cause of failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.